Okay, students, next day fourth sum. Solve 2 square root of x by a plus 3 square root of a by x is equal to b by a plus 6 by a. Okay, first you take y equal to square root of x by a. Then square root of x by a is a y. Then square root of a by x. The square root of a by x is the inside of the reciprocal. Then 1 by y. Okay, then substitute the value 2y plus 3 by y. Okay, root of y 1 by y is equal to b by a plus 6a divided by b. Okay, cross multiplication, denominator not equal, cross multiplication. 2 into y 2y square plus 3 divided by y equal to, then right hand side denominator not equal, cross multiplication. B into b, b square plus a into 6a square divided by ab. Okay, the divide value left hand side multiple, 2y square plus 3 into ab is equal to b square plus 6a square into y. Okay, next the multiple inside, 2ab y square plus 3ab is equal to b square into y plus 6a square into y. Then left hand side, 2ab y square plus 3ab minus b square y minus 6a square y is equal to 0. Okay, next the compare the values, any one is a common. Okay, two terms are common term. Compare the two terms, 2ab y square minus 6a, 2ab y square minus 6a square y. Okay, plus 3ab minus b square y is equal to 0. Two terms, the 2 common and a common, 2a common, again y common, 2ay. Okay, the 2ay common, remaining by minus 6 is the common 2, the 3, a square is a common a, y is a common by minus 3a plus then 3ab b square y, 3ab b square y. Okay, anyone. Okay, 3ab b square y. Then common is minus b common. Okay, b minus b common, 3. Okay, plus b common, 3a minus by is equal to 0. 2ay by minus 3a, then first bracket by minus 3a, then second bracket 3a minus by. You change the minus 1, take minus b, that is the plus, change the positive negative, the negative is the minus is common, plus by is equal to 0. The two factors is common, by minus 3a into 2ay minus b is equal to 0. Then by minus 3a is equal to 0. Another one factor, 2ay minus b is equal to 0. Okay, next then by, then minus 3a right hand side plus 3a. Okay, next then y is equal to the multiple b right hand side, divide, y is equal to 3a divided by b. Okay, then y value square root of x by a is equal to 3a divided by b. Y value square root of x by a equal to 3a by b. Then root cancels, square in both sides, square in both sides. Then square root of x by a the whole square equal to 3a divided by b the whole square. Then square and root cancel, x by a is equal to 3a square, 3 square 9, a square divided by b square is b square. Then x is equal to 9a square into a divided by b. X is equal to a square into a 9a cube divided by b, then one value. Then another root 2ay minus b is equal to 0. 2ay is equal to minus b right hand side plus b, then multiple 2a right hand side divide. Okay, y is equal to b by 2a. Okay, y is equal to b by 2a, then b value root of x by y value root of x by a is equal to b divided by 2a, then square in both sides, root of x by a the whole square equal to b by 2a the whole square. Okay, square and root cancel, x by a is equal to b square is a b square divided by 2 square is a 4 and a square is a square. Then x is equal to b square divided by 4a square, the divide a right hand side multiple, 1a is 1a cancel, then x is equal to b square divided by 4a, then roots of the x, therefore the roots of 9a cube divided by b comma b square divided by 4a. Okay, that's all. Then fourth sum over. Next the combine the sixth sum. Okay, continue the sixth sum. Fifth is next day. Find all real numbers satisfying 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. Listen, 4 power x solution, 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0, the equation. Then 4 is change the 2 square power x minus 3 into 2 power x into 2 power 2. Then power is addition, the base multiplication, plus 2 power 5 is 32 is equal to 0. Okay, then 2, then x inside the power 2 is change. Okay, minus 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 into 2 power x plus 32 is equal to 0. That is equation, quadratic equation. I take y equal to 2 power x, y equal to 2 power x, then 2 power x is y square minus 12 into y plus 32 is equal to 0. 2 power x is y square minus 12, 2 power x is y plus 32. That quadratic equation, solve the equation, then multiplication 32, then addition 12. Okay, then multiplication 32, any two number multiple 32, the addition 12. Which number? Any two number multiple 32, addition 12. 8 4s are 32. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Okay. Then y minus 8 one factor, again one factor, y minus 4 one factor equal to 0, y minus 8 equal to 0, then y is equal to 8, then y is 2 power x, that right hand side 8. Okay, 2 power x is equal to, the change the 2 power 3, then base is equal, power is equal, x is equal to 3, one value. Another one value, y minus 4 equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 4 right hand side plus 4, then y value 2 power x is equal to 4, 2 power x is equal to 4 power 4 is changed to power 2 square, then base is equal, power is equal, x is equal to 2. Therefore the roots are 3, 2. Okay, that is sixth sum over.